This is the Beco Aqua Fix watch tool. It allows you to unscrew the backs of watches quickly and easily, and I'll show you how it works. First step, you want to remove the double shoulder pin so that your watch lays flat. You're going to take this vise, which just comes out, and you're going to adjust it so your watch fits nice and snug. I'm going to snug this down by using this little knob here. Once it's snug, then your watch will not move. This will slide right back in. And there's little tips here. There's different sizes and shapes for whichever watch you're using. These knobs will go in and out to adjust to the span of your watch. You'll come down and then you will adjust your bottom and top, and then push in, tighten, and now you're ready to turn. Hold the tool down, and there it is. Lift it up, and it's off. To replace it back, you just go in reverse motion, and you're done. Order yours today at stuller.com/tools.